He was fighting a cold and hated sneezing in public, so when the tickle hit, he clamped his nose and mouth shut tight. The sneeze exploded inward. He felt a sharp pain in his throat and a strange crackling sensation creeping up the side of his neck. At first, he tried to brush it off, but swallowing hurt. His voice turned hoarse and breathy, and every touch to his neck felt wrong. In the emergency room, doctors pressed on his skin and heard a faint crackling under their fingers. A scan showed streaks of air where no air should be, leaking around his throat into his neck. They told him he'd torn part of his airway by holding in that sneeze. With oxygen, rest, and monitoring, the trapped air slowly faded and the tear healed. Most sneezes are harmless, but in very rare cases, forcing one back can make your body glitch in a way you never forget.